Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Smart Learning English channel. Dave, what's your favorite movie?
That's a hard question. I like a lot of movies.
I know, but if you had to choose one, what would you choose?
I think I'd choose a comedy.
A comedy?
Yeah, I really like funny movies. They help me relax.
What's the movie called?
It's called The Lost Weekend.
Oh, I've heard of that one. What do you like about it?
It's funny, but it also has a good story. The characters feel very real.
That's important. I don't like movies that feel too serious all the time.
Me neither. I like movies that make me laugh.
Do you watch movies often?
Maybe once or twice a week, usually at night.
Do you watch them alone?
Sometimes, but I prefer watching with friends.
Why?
It's more fun. We laugh together, and we can talk about the movie afterward.
Do you talk during the movie?
A little.
A little?
Okay, maybe more than a little.
I knew it.
I get excited. Sometimes I have to say something.
Don't you worry about bothering people?
I do. That's why I stay quiet when I'm at a movie theater.
Good. Your friends are probably safer at home.
Exactly.
What's your favorite thing about watching a movie?
I like forgetting about everything for a couple of hours.
I know what you mean. You can just sit down and enjoy the story.
Exactly. Especially after a busy day.
Do you eat snacks while watching movies?
Of course.
What do you eat?
Popcorn, sometimes chips, sometimes chocolate.
That's a lot of snacks.
A movie needs snacks.
Does it?
Absolutely.
Okay. What's your favorite movie snack?
Popcorn. Easy answer.
Sweet or salty?
Salty. What about you?
Sweet popcorn.
Really?
Yes.
We can't watch a movie together.
Why not?
We'd fight over the popcorn.
That's true.
What's your favorite kind of movie?
I like comedies too, but I also like movies with a little mystery.
Mystery?
Yes, I like trying to guess what will happen next.
Are you usually right?
Sometimes.
Only sometimes?
Okay, rarely.
At least you're honest.
I still enjoy guessing.
Me too. But sometimes I guess the ending in the first 10 minutes.
That's the problem.
I know, but I can't help it.
Do you like movies with happy endings?
Usually. I don't mind sad movies, but I don't want to feel sad after watching a movie.
I understand. Sometimes I just want a good story and a happy ending.
Exactly.
Do you have a movie you could watch again and again?
Yes. There's one comedy I've watched at least 5 times.
5 times?
Maybe 6.
Why do you keep watching it?
Because it's funny every time. And there's one scene I never get tired of.
Now I'm curious. What's so funny about that scene? Now I'm curious. What's so funny about that scene?
The main character tries to cook dinner. He has no idea what he's doing.
That sounds like you.
Hey, I can cook.
Can you really?
Yes, I can make noodles.
Noodles don't count.
Why not?
Because you just add them to hot water.
That's still cooking.
Okay. Tell me about the movie scene.
He tries to make a simple meal, but everything goes wrong. He burns the food, then he drops the plate.
Oh no.
Then his friend walks in and says, "What happened here?"
I can already imagine it.
That's why I like it. It's silly, but it feels real.
I think that's what makes a comedy good. The situation feels familiar.
Exactly. You can imagine yourself doing something like that.
Have you ever watched a movie that made you laugh that much?
Yes, there was another comedy I watched with my friends. We laughed so much that we had to pause the movie.
Really? Why?
One scene was too funny. Nobody could hear the next part.
That's a good movie night.
It was. We kept talking about that scene for the rest of the night.
I like movies like that. You remember them later.
Exactly.
Do you prefer watching movies at home or at the theater?
At home.
Really? Why?
It's more comfortable. I can sit on my couch, I can pause the movie, and I can get more snacks.
That last part sounds important.
Very important.
What about the movie theater?
I like the big screen, and the sound is much better.
That's true. There's something special about watching a movie on a big screen.
Yeah, especially action movies.
Do you like action movies?
Sometimes. I like them when the story is good.
What do you dislike about some movies?
When they're too long.
How long is too long?
More than 2.5 hours.
Really?
Yeah, I start getting tired.
I don't mind long movies if the story is interesting.
Fair enough. What kind of movie do you never want to watch?
Very scary movies.
Really?
Yes, I don't like being scared.
Even a little?
A little is okay, but I don't want to check under my bed afterward.
Have you ever done that?
Maybe when I was younger.
I knew it.
Don't tease me.
I'm just kidding.
I know. What about you? Do you like scary movies?
Sometimes, but I don't watch them alone.
Why not?
Because then every little sound in my house becomes scary.
Exactly.
The refrigerator makes a noise and suddenly I'm worried.
That's so true. Do you usually watch the trailer before choosing a movie?
Yes, I want to know what it's about.
Does the trailer ever trick you?
All the time. Sometimes the trailer looks amazing, then the movie isn't very good.
I've had that happen too.
It's disappointing.
How do you choose a movie now?
I check the story, then I look at the actors, and sometimes I ask a friend.
That's a good idea. I usually ask someone who has already watched it.
Exactly. Friends can save you from a bad movie.
Or recommend a great one.
That's true. Actually, speaking of recommendations, there's one movie I think you would really like.
Really? What kind of movie is it? Really? What kind of movie is it?
It's a comedy, but it also has a little romance. I think you'd enjoy it.
Why do you think I'd like it?
Because the story is simple. It's funny, but it's also warm.
That sounds like my kind of movie. What's it about?
It's about two friends. They meet again after many years. Then they spend one weekend together.
That sounds interesting. Are they very different?
Very different. One is serious, the other one is always joking.
So they argue a lot?
Sometimes, but they're good friends.
I like movies about friendship. They feel more natural.
Exactly. You can understand the characters. You can see yourself in them.
That's important to me too. I want to care about the characters.
Me too. If I don't care about the characters, I lose interest.
Same here. What about the ending? Is it happy?
Yes, it's a good ending. Not perfect, but it feels right.
Okay, now I really want to watch it.
I knew you'd like it.
Do you remember the first movie you really loved?
Yes. I watched it when I was younger. I still remember it.
What do you remember?
I remember watching it with my family. We all laughed together.
That's nice. Sometimes the memory is almost as important as the movie.
Exactly. When I watch that movie now, I remember being a kid.
I have a movie like that too.
Really?
Yes, I watched it many times with my family.
Do you still like it?
I do. Maybe it's not the best movie ever, but it has a special place in my heart.
I know what you mean. Some movies become special because of the memories.
Exactly.
Do you ever watch a movie more than once?
Yes, especially if it's funny.
Even when you know the ending?
Yes. Sometimes knowing the ending makes it more relaxing.
That's true. You don't have to think about what will happen.
You can just enjoy the movie.
Exactly. I do that with my favorite comedies.
Do you always watch from the beginning?
Usually, but sometimes I just watch my favorite scenes.
Which scene do you watch the most?
The funniest one. It's the cooking scene I told you about earlier.
The terrible cooking?
Yes.
I still think that scene sounds like you.
Why does everyone think I can't cook?
Because you just said you can make noodles.
That's a strong cooking skill.
Okay, Chef Dave.
Thank you. I accept the title.
You're welcome. So, when you choose a movie, what matters most to you? The story, the actors, or the type of movie?
The story comes first, then the type of movie.
Same here. A good story can make almost any movie interesting.
Exactly. I don't need a lot of action. I just want a good story.
And good characters.
Yes, good characters are important too.
I think we found what we should watch tonight.
The movie I recommended?
Yes, but I have one rule.
What's the rule?
You don't get all the popcorn. You don't get all the popcorn.
What? Why not?
Because I know you. You eat half of it before the movie starts.
That's not true.
Really? Last time you finished almost everything.
Okay, maybe that happened once.
It happens every time.
Fine, I'll share the popcorn.
Good. That's much better.
But I want the big drink.
Of course you do.
It's a movie night. I need snacks.
Okay, movie, popcorn, and a big drink. Sounds like a plan.
Do you want to watch it at home or go to the theater?
Let's watch it at home. I think it'll be more comfortable.
I agree. We can pause the movie.
And we can talk about it.
Exactly.
But not too much. I don't want you to explain every scene.
I make no promises.
Dave!
I'm just kidding.
Good. Let's actually enjoy the movie.
Definitely.
What time should we watch it?
Maybe 8?
8 sounds good. That gives us time to eat dinner first.
Good idea. Then we can start the movie after dinner.
And no phones during the movie.
What? No phones?
No phones.
That's a tough rule.
It will be good for you.
Okay, I'll put mine away.
Thank you. I'll do the same.
Now I'm really looking forward to it.
Me too.
You know what I like about talking about movies?
What?
You learn what other people enjoy.
That's true. People like very different movies.
Some people love action movies, some love comedy, some love romance.
And some people love horror movies.
Not you.
Definitely not me.
Fair enough.
But that's what makes it interesting. We don't have to like the same movies.
Exactly. We can still recommend movies to each other.
And maybe discover something new.
That's true. I actually want to try some movies you like.
And I'll try one of your movies.
Deal. But I'm choosing the snacks.
Absolutely not.
Okay, we can choose together.
Much better.
So, favorite movie?
That's still hard, but I think I know what I want from a movie.
What?
A good story, funny moments, interesting characters, and a happy feeling at the end.
I like that too.
And I like watching movies with people I enjoy being around.
That makes the movie better.
Exactly. A good movie is great, but a good movie with a friend is even better.
I completely agree.
Okay, Chef Dave, don't forget the popcorn.
I won't.
And don't eat it all.
I'll try.
Try isn't very convincing.
Okay, I'll definitely share.
Good. Then we have a movie night.
Deal. Thank you so much for listening today. Keep practicing your English every day. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. See you in the next lesson.
Bye, everyone.